Are you looking to increase your sales and deliver greater value to your customers? Introduce Bopo WooCommerce Product Bundle Builder, the powerful solution that helps store owners create irresistible product bundles with unbeatable deals. Using this plugin, you can create product bundles with customizable product quantities to encourage customers to buy combos and save more. When adding products, a convenient pop-up will appear, allowing customers to select and add products with just a few clicks. You can also flexibly customize the price for products within the bundle in several ways. Apply a percentage discount, deduct a fixed amount, set a fixed price for individual products, or establish a set price for the entire bundle. With smart filtering and search features, customers can easily find the perfect product in a flash. And many more features are waiting for you to discover. Don't wait! Increase your average order value and delight your customers today with Bopo WooCommerce Product Bundle Builder.